Well, I'll be doing a quick review on the Yahoo webcam. It comes shipped in a box like this. Here's the device right here. It's a USB 2 camera. It just came in, and so I've been really interested in testing it out. There's been a real shortage on USB cameras. Everybody's wanting to do some video conferencing calls now. And so I was able to find this one online. I've bought some security cameras from Yahoo, and so I know the quality of their stuff was really has been very good. And so I wanted to take a chance on it. This is a new device for them that I hadn't seen in their store before. But here it is, the Yahoo webcam. We'll talk about it more in just a second. Let me switch over and kind of show you what it looks like on top on Amazon. So here's the camera itself. When you do the order, it's currently at a pretty low price based on its history. The history, when I use Honey, showed it to be right now one of its best prices, and so it's a good time to purchase it. And they're in stock. They ship from here in the U.S., so that makes it kind of nice. That delivery's right here from the United States. I believe it was in California where mine got shipped from. You can tell it's a high definition, 1920 by 1080p, 30 frames a second. USB 2 plug and play. It works. I'm going to be testing it on a Windows 10 machine, but it's also compatible with Mac, so with iOS. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and set it up now and do a test using the camera on a Zoom connection for video conferencing calls. So let me do a quick setup, and I'll take this camera and get it all connected up to that here just shortly. All right, I've got the Yahoo webcam set up in my Zoom software now, so you can see I've got Zoom up and running. And I'm going to go ahead now and let's start a new meeting so we can see what it looks like. And now I've got two cameras running. One's recording me over here on this side, and then of course I've got the one over here, which is the actual the Yahoo. So you can kind of get a comparison on the camera, and you can see it's a good quality camera that's being done here. It's nice and sharp. You can see some of the lighting details that's in it. I've got a green screen behind me because I also wanted to do a quick, so I can show you the quality of the camera too when it operates like in a virtual background. So of course I'm using Zoom. Let me change to a virtual background here. And I'm going to set it up from none, and I'm going to set it up to just a standard background so you can kind of see an example of what it would look like. So there we have a virtual background, so you can see it does a good job of the definition quality of cutting out me to put in the graphic background. So again, man, overall I'd give this a thumbs up. The sound quality, which I couldn't figure out how to change my microphone so that you could hear it recording. When I did a test earlier, the sound recording's perfectly fine. It's got some built-in noise mask, noise cancellation capabilities according to the documentation. But the quality of it didn't sound what you're hearing now. I've got a USB 2 microphone that I'm recording this with. It's nowhere near this quality. But for a built-in microphone, it worked very well. It was very easy to distinguish your voice, and it was very clear. So I give it a thumbs up. So overall, I think the thing I like best, it's a very, very competitively priced USB high-definition camera that has everything you'd want for video conferencing calls. So hope that helps.